Congratulations and thank you for registering for our Discover Trading Day, a day that quite literally could change your financial future. Now, these seats on the Discover Trading Day are incredibly limited, and we're so happy that you've managed to snag your spot. We're only running 2 of these events. It's a brand new concept that nobody's doing before, so we're expecting the event to fill up in no time at all. If for any reason you can't attend, we would appreciate at least 48 hours notice to ensure that you give somebody else the opportunity to come and trade live with our trading team. Should you book a space and not attend, there is a small cancellation fee of $500 that will be applied to your credit card. But to avoid that, simply make sure you turn up for this groundbreaking day. We're very excited to seeing you. How much money can you make with $50,000 in a day?